Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're talking about money and more specifically ways you can save more of it. But what if I told you that saving money doesn't have to be a painful experience? Seriously, there are some really easy things you can do every single day to save some serious cash without even really thinking about it. And that's what we're going over today. 10 effortless habits that'll transform your finances. Let's get started. Let's be real, that daily latte habit can really put a dent in your bank account. Invest in a decent coffee maker, grab your favorite beans or grounds, and boom, you're saving money and still getting your caffeine kick. Plus, you can become your own barista. Experiment with different flavors, make it your own little ritual. Alright, this one might seem small, but trust me, it adds up. We're talking about those sneaky little energy vampires in your house. Phone chargers, laptops, TVs, even your coffee maker. Leaving them plugged in when you're not using them is like throwing money down the drain. So, make it a habit to unplug anything you're not actively using. Each unplug is like a tiny victory against the evil energy vampires. Okay, who else loves the convenience of takeout? I get it, sometimes you just don't have the time or energy to cook. But let's be real, eating out all the time is a recipe for disaster, both for your wallet and your waistline. Spend a few hours one day a week cooking up a big batch of your favorite healthy meals. You'll be less tempted to order takeout, saving you tons of money in the long run. Let's face it, car ownership is expensive, but what if you could drastically cut those costs? Enter public transportation and carpooling. Now I know what you're thinking, Graham, the bus is slow and crowded. But hey, it's also a chance to catch up on your reading, listen to a podcast, or even just zone out and enjoy some me time. Plus, you're helping the environment. Ever gone to the grocery store hungry and ended up with a cart full of things you don't even need? Yeah, we've all been there. That's why having a shopping list is crucial. It's like your secret weapon against impulse buys. Plan out your meals for the week, make a list of what you need and stick to it. A well-planned shopping trip is a happy wallet. Okay, this one's a no-brainer. If you're not using cashback apps and reward programs, you're literally leaving money on the table. All you have to do is link your cards, shop like you normally would, and watch the cashback roll in. Sign up for every single one you can, rack up those points, and redeem them for free stuff or even cashback. Look, I'm not saying you need to become the next Bob Vila, but learning some basic DIY skills can save you a ton of money on home repairs. Think about it. A leaky faucet, a clogged drain, a loose doorknob. These are all things you can probably fix yourself with a little bit of research and the right tools. YouTube is your best friend here. There are literally thousands of tutorials that can teach you everything you need to know. Alright, this one's a biggie. The key to building wealth is to make saving money automatic. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account every single month. Over time, those small contributions will grow into a nice little nest egg. Okay, let's be honest, we're all guilty of this one. We sign up for a streaming service, forget about it, and then bam, we're hit with another monthly charge. Go through your bank statements, identify any recurring charges for services you don't use anymore, and cancel them. This one might sound a little strange, but trust me, it works. Use an app that rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. It's a super easy way to invest without even thinking about it. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more money-saving advice. Start incorporating these effortless habits into your daily routine, and you'll be amazed at the difference they can make over time. See you next time.